Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Numbers and choosing a template that fits your goal. This speeds setup. Once the document loads, click the plus button to insert a table and drag to the size you want. Make sure to format each column as number, currency, or percentage in the Format Inspector so formulas behave correctly. Enter concise headers and sample values to verify formatting. Doing this now prevents later type mismatches and ensures sums, averages, and rounding work predictably as you build. Once your table is formatted, add calculations. Type equals SUM, then select a range, or use equals A2 asterisk B2 for row-by-row math. Numbers auto-suggests functions to speed entry. Make sure to use cell references instead of hard numbers so updates propagate. Drag the fill handle to copy formulas down and create named ranges from the Organize sidebar for reusable references. Also, freeze header rows so labels stay visible when scrolling. This keeps context when you inspect results or present the sheet to finish, visualize, and share. Select numeric ranges to create charts, then style axes and labels so your message is clear. Export via file, right arrow export to Excel or PDF, or share an iCloud link for collaboration. Make sure collaborators have correct permissions. If values look wrong, double-check cell format, number versus text, and your locale decimal separator. Incorrect formats break formulas. If a formula shows error, inspect reference cells for text, and step through sub-expressions to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.